Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason your plugged in headphones aren't working inside of your Windows 11 PC. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend thinking about is going through and double checking your connection. You want to go through and double check and make sure that your headphones that you connected are properly connectable to your particular device. And you need to make sure that you can go through and actually, plug in your particular device into, your particular Windows 11 PC. That is by far the easiest thing to do here, and that is the first thing I'd recommend doing. If you're not able to do that, then that's obviously going to cause some problems, but that is right there going to be one of the main issues. So go through, plug in your particular device to your Windows 11 PC, and make sure that these things are actually working. Now, on top of that, you might want to double check your particular output settings on your Windows 11 PC. So what you're going to want to do here is on the bottom right corner, you want to go through and you want to basically click on the sound icon. So click on the little settings icon here, and there should be a little sound icon right over here. If you want to tap on those little sound options, that should allow you to change up your sound. If that doesn't work, you can also tap onto the settings application right down over here, get into settings, find the little sound panel like under system or something like that right here. Just make sure you're properly connected and your sound is working. Sometimes there might be some sound issues, so you might have to adjust your drivers and do all those things. Now, if that's not working, you might want to try restarting your Windows 11 PC. So try going through restarting your system, holding down the button. If that's not working, you can also try going through and try updating your software. So make your way over to your settings application right over here and try clicking on System, clicking on your software update panel. And I'd recommend going through and trying to, update your system. And that's another thing I'd recommend doing here too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.